Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a character art of a maid by sharematerial.net. So this very website opened this month of May, and it has released other category of assets as well. Visual novel style backgrounds for school, modern rooms, forest, fantasy village, and science fiction settings. And it also has a collection of music for various moods and settings. So do explore this website, sharematerial.net, and follow the artist on their Twitter. Next, we have a new horror game called Alone. One day, the protagonist returns from work and ends up trapped in his own home with some suspicious people trying to hurt him. And lastly, a Tileset of a royal garden by Celil the Shaper. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.